Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. Have you ever known anyone that can take a worship song or pop song and just transpose it on the fly? Well, in these next few videos, I'm going to show you the techniques that I use to transpose songs without having to rewrite all the chords and the melody, and without using the transpose button on your keyboard. So let's tackle this first concept, which is melody. And that's going to help us as we work through the interludes, the intros, and the outros of the song. So let's jump in. So we're going to use the song King of Kings as our model. And this song is in the key of D, and the intro goes like this. Now all you have to know at this point is the scale degree numbers. We're only using 5 of the notes in the scale. We're using the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So this 5th note, A, we're going to move down here because we're actually going to go down from the 1 to the 5. So the melody note is the 1, starts on that root, goes down to the 5, jumps up to the 2nd, up to the 3rd, up to the 4th, 3rd, 1, 5. So if you can get the numbers of the scales, that's going to help you in your transposing. So let's hear this again at speed with our numbers. Now, once you get familiar with that and the scale numbers, try working with a different key. Right now, we're going to do F, okay? So in the key of F, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the scale notes in the key of F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5, C, we're going to move down an octave here because we're going to jump down to the 5th. So in the key of F, it would be like this. 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, down to 5 again. Let's hear that again in tempo. Let's look at one more key. Let's look at the key of A. In the key of A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of our scale degree. We have A, B, C sharp, D, and E. This E is the 5th, so we're going to move it down here. So we could play it down here. Or we could move the whole thing up like here. So as you work with different keys, you're going to have to find that maybe you have to shift it up, maybe you have to actually shift it down when you're transposing. Well, thanks for watching, and if you got some value out of this, would you hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel? And before you sign off, make sure to check out some of these other videos. And make sure to keep an eye out for the follow-up video, which is going to deal with transposing chords. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.